Think out of the box. Huwag makontento sa status quo. Don't settle for the conventional. Kasi common na yan. Kasi nagawa na yan. Kasi hindi siya added value. Try to think creatively. Sabi nga nila, out of the box. Pero paano nga ba yung to think out of the box? Una, i-define mo muna yung box. The box could mean the conventional. It could mean the problem itself. Or perhaps the market. Ano ba yung kahon na yan na nakukulong ka dyan at kailangan pa talagang lumabas dyan? So, define the box. Pangalawa, what innovations have others attempted? Mag-research muna. Kung sinubukan ba nila yan, nag-work ba? Baka nagawa na kasi ng iba at inulit mo pa, edi pumalpak din. So, due diligence muna. Baka may naisulat na tungkol dyan or may mga prototype na ng idea somewhere. Pangatlo is just to keep improving your idea. Siyempre, yung first draft, hindi pa masyado exciting yan. Dami pang kailangan i-improve. Kaya, iterate. Execute, evaluate, adjust. Execute, evaluate, adjust. Paikot-ikot lang hanggang tumabot ka sa bagong idea, sa isang aha moment. Nandyan lang yan. If you're stuck right now, huwag tumigil until you can achieve a breakthrough. It may take some time, pero pag sinipagan mo, siguradong mag-work yung idea na yan. Kaya huwag matakot to think out of the box. Be different.